In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with LinkedIn ads. This process is vital if you're leveraging HubSpot's powerful CRM capabilities alongside LinkedIn's robust advertising platform. Together, these tools can boost your marketing efficiency by aligning your customer data and advertising efforts seamlessly. So let's dive right in and get your systems linked up. First, you'll need to start by heading over to the HubSpot homepage. This is where all the magic begins. Once there, look to the top right corner of your screen for the login button. Clicking that will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Don't worry if you can't find it right away, so it's the gateway into your HubSpot world, so took a little moment to make sure you're using the right login details. Upon logging in, you'll land on the HubSpot home. It's a familiar site for regular users, buzzing with all your vital business tools and operations. Take a moment to get oriented before moving to the next step. Now let's get to the action. Direct your attention to the marketplace icon on your dashboard. It resembles a little store icon typically found towards the bottom left hand of the interface. Clicking it is going to unfold a whole world of additional integrations and tools for your HubSpot system. This is where you can enhance the capabilities of HubSpot, so it's quite resourceful. Once you've entered the marketplace, the next step is to locate and click on the Apps tab. This action will display a comprehensive list of all the applications you can integrate into your HubSpot system. Each app listed can bring unique functionality to your marketing setup, but for our purpose today, we're focusing on getting LinkedIn ads up and running. Scroll through the apps or simply search for LinkedIn ads, which is what you're looking to tie into your operations. There's a comfort in knowing that everything is organized here, saving you the hassle of going back and forth between different systems. Clicking on LinkedIn ads will take you a step further into the integration process. Finally, you will see an Install App button. This is the moment of truth where all your preparatory steps culminate. Clicking this button initiates the installation, allowing LinkedIn ads to integrate with your HubSpot account. Make sure to follow any additional prompts that might appear during installation. And there you have it, your HubSpot and LinkedIn ads are now integrated, letting you harness the strengths of both platforms together. Enjoy the streamlined efficiency and the enhanced insights you'll gain from this powerful integration. Don't forget to check the settings to ensure that everything is working harmoniously, aligning your advertising data with HubSpot's CRM for optimal results. Thanks for watching and happy marketing.